myself is Scannon, and this is the ninth part of the video, and this is the chapter polynomial, and from chapter polynomial this the new topic is remainder theorem. You can see the new topic is remainder theorem. You know already actual division, how to divide one polynomial by another polynomial, that is called long division method. So this is now new topic, remainder theorem. So in remainder theorem, before we will discuss what is the actual remainder theorem, what is the logic behind the remainder theorem, I would like to discuss one question using the remainder theorem, so that the concept is going to be clear. So the question is, using the remainder theorem, find the remainder when p of x divided by g of x and verify result by actual division. It means what? Using remainder theorem, you also find out the remainder, and also by using actual division also same you have to find out the remainder. So the question is p of x, x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 3. It means the degree of the polynomial is 3. Now g of x, this is dividend, you know already, this is dividend and this is divisor. G of x equal to x plus 2. G of x equal to x plus 2. This is the linear polynomial. Means the polynomial degree of polynomial is 1. Here degree of polynomial is 3. Degree of polynomial means highest power of the term. So this is polynomial of degree 3. So we will divide by using remainder theorem also. And first we would like to find out how to find the remainder by using the remainder theorem, and also how to find the remainder by actual division. Actual division you already know, but I will give the brief description about the actual division also. Let's see. Yes, here p of x, the given polynomial, this is nothing but dividend. P of x equal to x cube plus x square, x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 3. G of x equal to x plus 2. So what is the first step? First step is find the zeros of divisor. Zeros of divisor. Find the zeros of divisor. The first step is find the zero of divisor. It means x plus 2 equal to 0. This is divisor and this is dividend. What? X plus 2 equal to 0. So what is the value x equal to? X equal to minus 2. Next step 2, replace x by minus 2 in polynomial of x. Replace x by minus 2 in polynomial of x. So we are going to replace polynomial of x is what? P of x is what? X cube plus x square plus 2 x square plus 2x plus 3. So we are going to substitute minus 2. P of minus 2 equal to minus 2 to the power 3 plus minus 2 whole square plus 2 into minus 2 plus 3. It means what? P of minus 2 is 5. It means minus 5 is the remainder of P of x. Minus 5 is the remainder of P of x. What is the remainder? Minus 5. This is the remainder theorem. By using the remainder theorem, we are finding the remainder. Now we are going to find the remainder by using the long division method. You already know how to find out the long division method by using the long division method. But here we look also how to find the remainder by actual division, and also we are going to verify also. So we'll see minus 5 is the remainder. Let's see how to find the remainder by using the long division method. But normally they are going to ask in class 9 the chapter polynomials from the remainder theorem. Actual division is asking also, but remainder theorem is very important. We are going to find remainder by using the remainder theorem. And next is by actual division we are finding the remainder. Let's see how to find the by using a long division method, actual division method, we are going to divide p of x divided by g of x. P of x is this and g of x. It means g of x is the divided and p of x is the dividend. So you see the first term. This is, see the four terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. First term. What is the first term? X cube. So here x cube is there. So I want to x cube here so that it should be cancelled. My target is x cube should be cancelled. Anyhow. So here, what is the here x value? This is x. So at what? This is x. So we want x cube. So at what variable, at which variable we are going to multiply, it becomes x cube. So which variable? X squared. Now it becomes x cube. So x squared. Right? So x squared multiply with x plus 2. X squared multiply with x plus 2. What is coming? X cube plus 2x squared. Right? So this I am going to write here. Because I multiply x squared in binomial. X squared into x plus 2. So now what is x cube plus 2x squared? See here. Now we are going to subtract. So before we are going to subtract, we have to change the symbol. We are going to change the symbol. This is plus, this is also plus. So change the symbol. This is minus, this is minus. Now see here, this is cancelling. Now what? X squared minus 2x squared. It becomes what? Minus x squared, and we are going to write this term plus 2x plus 3 as it is. Now what is the next target? Next target is anyhow we get x squared. So minus x squared we need, and here is plus positive x, here is negative x. So at which number we are going to multiply? This is x also. What we get? We want minus x squared. So at which variable we are going to multiply, it becomes minus x squared. So what? Minus x. Right? So now we are going to multiply minus x into x plus 2. X plus 2. So what is minus x squared? Minus 2x. See here. Now we are going to write here minus x squared minus 2x. Now after this, changing the symbol. This is minus, so it becomes plus. This is minus, so it becomes plus. Now we are going to cancel this. Now see here, this is, now before this is negative, now it becomes what? Positive. So 2x plus 2x, 4x. And what is here? Plus 3. Now see here, this term, only look at this term. Don't bother about this term. So what is here term? 4x. So 4x and here what? X plus 2. We want only 4x. So this is already x. So at which number we are going to multiply? Which number? So it becomes 4x. In this variable we are going to multiply 4. So you 4 multiply with x plus 2. X plus 2. So it becomes what? 4x plus 8. Right? It becomes what? 4x plus 8. So I am going to write here this is 4x plus 8. And after this we are going to what? Subtract. So this both are positive. We are going to change the symbol according to this. So this is positive, so negative. This is positive, this is positive, so negative. Now 3 minus 8. This is cancelled. 3 minus 8 minus 5. You already seen in the previous calculation by using the remainder theorem. What is the remainder? Minus 5. And by actual division method also, the remainder is what? Minus 5. So you see, the remainder theorem is the simplest way to finding the remainder. Long division is the long method to finding the remainder, but remainder theorem is the without using the long division method, how to find the remainder, that is remainder theorem. So we'll get minus 5 now we can verify also by verification of, means we have one verification formula we already know, that is the called division algorithm. Division algorithm. What is division algorithm? You already know. P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is division algorithm. So sorry, we don't have to write. This is s square, we multiply, and next what? At what number we multiply now next? Minus x. So we are going to write here minus x. Now this next 4. So plus 4. This is the quotient. You know, so this is the quotient, this is dividend, this is the divisor, and this is the remainder. Now we are going to substitute one by one. What is the divisor? X plus 2. See, dear students, degree of dividend is always greater than the degree of divisor. See here degree is 3, here degree is what? 1. Next what is the q of x? X square minus x and what? Plus 4. And what is the remainder? Minus 5. We are going to substitute. See, if you are going to divide one polynomial by another polynomial, if the divisor is linear polynomial, so it will come always constant. In the remainder, you can also say that, so it will come always constant after dividing. So now we are going to check one by one. X into x square, x to the power 3, minus x square plus 4x, right? Next what? Plus 2x square. What? Next what? 2x square. X square into x square. X cube, next 2 into x square. Minus 2x minus 8. And this is minus 12. So what? See here x cube, and what is the like term here? Minus a square and plus 2x square minus x square. 4x minus 2x plus 2x. So here what is coming? X square, x cube minus x square plus 4x. See, plus 2x square minus x square. Okay, positive x square na? And 4x minus 2x. 4x minus 2x, what is? 2x. Right? And this is what? 4 into 2. I just written here. 8 na plus 8. And what next? 8 minus 5 becomes what? 3. So now yes, the dividend is same. See here, whatever dividend is there, dividend is same. X cube